3. 1, 2, 3, snow day! Good job. It's our first official snow day. You ready to go? You look ready. We're out here at the Tahoe Meadows Trailhead, that's a tongue twister, for just our very first snow day of the season. Woohoo, let's go. Here we go, first sled of the day. Woo! Oh, you took yourself out on that one. It is actually, what, 60 something degrees outside? Maybe in the high 50s. It feels so good. The sun is shining. It is beautiful out here. Bobby's all about the snowballs. Oh, you got me. Oh, I missed. Oh, here we go. Gotcha. Oh, you got me. Okay, Riviera's first attempt at the sled is not a success. Doesn't like it. Okay, I'm gonna get on my sled here. Woo! Slippery. All right, here we go. Mom's going on a sled. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Go down this big hill. How's this gonna go? It is so beautiful out here. We're about 4 miles down the street from Mount Rose in Reno, Nevada. There goes Grandma. Handles.
This is heavy.
What do you think of my snowman? Is it cute?
Where's his eyes?
Is that your little snowman friend?
What are we gonna call him?
Oh, he's so cute. He needs a name. Tastes good?
Yep.
Does it taste like butter?
Yep.
As long as it's not yellow.
It's not yellow.
Okay, good. Then you
It
can.
tastes like pee.
Well, good.
Not like lemonade? Good job. Kind of like a
Do you want some one?
Sure. Okay, you ready? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
That's pretty good.
Okay, ready?
Watch out.
All right, ready to go back to the hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go have some fun.
Play arcade.
Arcade. Arcade at the Grand Sierra Hotel, and oh my god, it is huge. We're gonna be in here for a long time. I got a $50 player card. Let's turn this around here. I got 50 bucks on here, so we'll see how much games this gets us, but there's a lot to look at. Let's go. You gotta do photo booth photos. Cheesy. Try again.
I'm running out.
Whoa. Oh, nice. Okay, now inside the arcade, we are in the tumble zone. So huge play structure. And then there's a whole little toddler zone here. We're actually the only ones in here right now, so this is awesome. All this soft play stuff for the littles. And the little kids, like 2 and under or 3 and under, are free. And then it's 12 bucks. And they also have some little mini video games in here, or arcade games. How fun for these little guys. I love this. This is perfect for toddlers. Hi. Good job, Riviera. You gotta just take a rest.
That's how you play tic-tac-toe.
Know when to take a break. We're at the bowling alley here at the Grand Sierra. Who's winning? Ooh, I think you are winning. Nice. Oh no, you're definitely winning. Oh, and Ribby, she's got 2 strikes. Yes. Let's go. Yeah, look at your bowling shoes. Okay, Javi has a 105. Riviera, who's 21 months, has a 111. I got a 93, and Grandma gets
I think I got another one, don't I?
a gutter ball. Oh.